Good morning everyone, you're here with another pre-launch session video, and today is Wednesday the 26th of January. It will be a very important day today. At 7 p.m. UK time we do have a Fed rate decision. I think this will give a major impact actually on what will on the markets. So it's definitely something that I'm looking forward to. Looking now at the DXY. Looking at the DXY, and guys, as you know, first of all, and this is not financial advice. This is just the way that I see the markets, and that I would like to share with all of you. Okay, let's keep going. I do have the DXY in front of me. Remember that I mentioned yesterday that we do have here on the 50 minutes a last bearish order block, so the last bull before the down. Yeah, I did mention several times that whenever we break this level here, that we will be very bullish. Yeah. So what happened yesterday? Yesterday during the New York session, we cleared the high. Yeah. So we traded higher, and I said, okay, once we clear the high, then we remain bullish. So what happened during, as it's Tuesday, and we normally can see if we have been rallying a Monday and a Tuesday morning, then normally on Tuesday we can see some form of retracement. That's exactly what happened. Exactly what happened. That's why I shared a EURUSD buy opportunity, but I will go over that in a bit. So we could expect this sort of pullback, but if we look back now, to the 4 hour, then we can see that we traded back during this Asian session back in the gap area. Yeah, so the gap area, I mean with the Sunday close and the Monday open, there's been a gap. Yeah, we trade back into this gap area. So we've balanced the price. We balanced this price action out. So I do believe that we will see some further bullish movements during the London session. Yeah, targeting these highs over here, and ultimately maybe by the end of the day we will reach the 97 level, a level that I've been speaking about already for a while now. So I'm bullish for today on dollar. I do not see any need to go lower, especially not before the Fed rate decision. If we go now to Euro USD, so Euro USD, yesterday I did share this sell opportunity within this order block, and now we can see, yeah, if you guys entered or participated in this trade, then we should be already nice and break even. Yeah, we can even think or consider going break even if you manage to get in here as well. So great job, perfect. But yeah, let's go over the trade that I shared maybe in the Discord yesterday. So remember, guys, I told you that I was looking to sell, yeah, at around these levels. I was willing to sell around these levels. The price was here yesterday, and look what happened. Guys, I like to look for those liquidity swaps, and look what happened. Prior to New York, we created this liquidity, yeah, the equal lows, yeah, liquidity was created. We smashed through to the liquidity, we grabbed the liquidity over here, and then we trade higher. So whenever I saw this push higher, whenever I saw the push up here, then I told you guys, look, you can even see the arrows here. I said, okay, we can buy in this area. Exactly what happened. We tapped into the area, yeah, literally zero drawdown all the way up. I didn't want, because it was going to turn trade, so I didn't want to put too much risk on it. So a 1 to 3 risk to reward was great, and I think, look, we hit our target by 6 p.m. In the evening. So yeah, perfect, great trade. But for now I'm bearish, as you can see, and from the exact area that I mentioned earlier, and now we are trading lower. And so let's see, we do have some form of liquidity here. So we might see maybe during London Open, one more spike up, maybe a little bit higher, and then trade lower. Yeah, if we don't see this liquidity spike, then we can maybe, they might even keep the liquidity over here for maybe later in the New York session, or maybe later today for the Fed rate. So yeah, maybe we will see a minor pullback and then trade lower. So yeah, the direction for me is pretty clear. So that was one trade, and then let me go maybe over the Nasdaq yesterday. Remember, guys, in my video I mentioned this area. Yeah, so I was expecting during the New York Stock Exchange open for a run lower, which happened. Yeah, you know, if you're bullish, and we always like to buy under the New York Stock Exchange open. So I said, okay, guys, once we hit this area, then we can look for buy opportunities, targeting first of all this high over here, ultimately this high. We did manage to enter this trade. If you entered somewhere over here, then you could take a really nice 340, 350 points off the table to the first take profit. So if you guys participated in this trade, well done, great job. I'm still bullish. I still believe that we can go higher. So if this is now our last significant bear to bull candle, so then we might look for some maybe trade opportunities again back in this area, and then trade maybe higher for the remaining of the session, for the rest of the day. Okay, good guys, this is something that I'm looking at. If I do see any other trade opportunity popping up, I will be more than happy to share it with you in the Discord. If you do have any questions, please reach out to me as well. And yeah, that was it for my pre-London session video. Let's catch up soon. Have a good one, guys. Cheers. Bye bye.